At Farmboy, we believe that a great website is more than just a digital presence. It's a strategic tool that embodies your brand's essence while delivering an exceptional user experience. Our process starts long before the first line of code is written. We begin with hand-drawn wireframes and meticulously crafted stylescapes, ensuring that each design aligns with your vision and goals. So what exactly is a wireframe? Think of it as a blueprint of your website. It's a skeletal outline that maps out the structure and functionality of each page. Wireframes help us plan the user journey, placing key elements like navigation, content, and calls to action in all the right spots to ensure a seamless experience. Next, we create a stylescape, a visual representation of your brand's identity. It's more than just a mood board. It's a comprehensive design direction that combines colors, fonts, images, and textures. A stylescape ensures that the website not only looks beautiful, but also resonates with your brand's unique voice and personality. Whether you're a research company seeking to share your findings, one of the largest meat suppliers in the country looking to showcase your products, a contractor aiming to attract new clients, or an e-commerce brand ready to boost sales, we've got you covered. Our WordPress websites are designed to last, blending functionality with stunning design and a user experience that keeps visitors engaged. Thanks for taking a look at our process. At Farmboy, we don't just build websites, we create digital experiences that stand the test of time.